Alright guys, this is part 4 of the camouflage wrap. Today we're gonna do the bumpers, the front and rear bumper. Let's do it. Alright guys, so today we're gonna do the front bumper and the rear bumper. This I think is the harder part. Also the spoiler right there on the bottom, that one too. So front and rear bumper. And this is part 4 of the camouflage wrap. So alright, let's do it. Alright guys, first inlay is done. You can see it there. See it there. Alright, so this will prevent for the wrap to lift in this area, because we don't want to stretch the vinyl too much. Here. Alright, so now I have to do another inlay here. I'm gonna do another one there and another one here, just a small one and a small one. I know some people doesn't do it, but for me I prefer to do inlay here and inlay here, so it will prevent me from headaches. Alright, let's do it. Alright guys, I'm ready. I already cleaned it. I added tape here, masking tape on there. And this lip, I'm not gonna remove it. It's super hard. It has lug nut and bolts and a lot of screws, so I'm gonna do it like that. I'm gonna put an inlay in this part on the bottom, an inlay here. I think that's it. Yeah. So that way I will not stretch the vinyl too much. So this is gonna be one piece right here, and then in the bottom, this one, like the lip, is gonna be another piece. All right, so let's do that. Alright guys, the bottom part is done. You can see it there. You can see the seam. I still have to clean it, but my fingerprints, but right there you can see it. The bottom part is already wrapped. Right there. That. And that. You can see it there. So I put an inlay on all the bottom part. So now I have to do the top part. Alright guys, finally the front bumper is finished. You can see it there. You see it there. This one was very hard. Wow, the front bumper is very hard because of this shape. It's like this, so it gets a lot of wrinkles here and here. So it was hard, but finally it's finished. You can see it this side too. Looks super cool. Sorry about the mess. So the only thing now left is the side skirts. So let's do the side skirts. And that's it on the black. Alright, now the side skirts are ready. So now let's see the whole car, how it looks. Cool. Alright guys, it looks amazing, looks super cool, man. You can see it here there. Everything is done. Everything. The roof, sides, bumpers, everything is done in matte black. But remember, this is not finished. I still have to do one more step. So one more video and the camouflage is gonna be finished. But like this, if I leave it like this, it looks sick. It looks amazing, man. Wow. You can see it here. Wow. I think this will turn some heads on the freeway like this, the way it is right now. Wow. Alright, let me know what you guys think. Put it in the comments. Alright guys, the matte black is finished. So on the next video we're gonna do the camouflage, alright? But let me know what you guys think about this one. I think it looks sick, amazing. So put in the comments what you think, alright? If you like the video, please like the video. And if you're new, subscribe for more videos like this one. See you on the next video.